I thought you forgot about us. Welcome back. Hey guys, it's been a while. 3 weeks, huh? How y'all been? Well, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and like this video. Leave a comment too. It'll make me a happy guy. Anywho, to celebrate my return from hiatus, I thought it would be great to do an art haul unboxing. So come on, let's dive into this. First up is a polypropylene cutting mat. It's got some grid lines and it's self-healing too. Means that if you cut into it, as I'm doing right now, it doesn't leave much of a mark. I got this for around 270 pesos. This next one is what I need. A set of Faber Castell 24 classic colored pencils that went for 350 pesos. For the longest time, I've been using the really cheap ones, so definitely this will be a step up towards the right direction. Don't you just love it when they were nice enough to include a sharpener? Nice guys, these Faber-Castell. And trailing right behind it, I wouldn't know how to use. It's a set of 12 Faber-Castell watercolor pencils. From what I know, you can color your art as you normally do, then use a brush to get a watercolor effect. Worth a try for 120 pesos. Not bad, it's alright. Then I got some brushes. All these for less than 100 pesos. Not only will this come in handy for the watercolor pencils that I just got, but for paint as well. Cool. What? You painting now? Well, it's worth a shot. Because in a previous video I said this. Because of you guys, if you're listening, you painters, I'm really seriously thinking about trying my hand in paint. I'm very intimidated by paint, but because of you guys, hashtag positive influence, I'm really thinking about doing painting. What do you guys think? Should I do paintings? Should I try? Should I even try? So I figured might as well, huh? Which leads me to this. A nifty case of 12 poster paint colors. I would have gone full on acrylic and watercolors, but come on, this is gonna be my first time. This went for 150 pesos, I believe. Guys, get this. It comes in this really small plastic cases of the basic colors. Now, I don't know much about mixing colors, but it's just so wonderful to have quite a lot of painters in the community, so I could draw inspiration from you guys. Because of that, thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Really, you are. I just couldn't resist. I have a lot of ink pens already. No, really, I do. But I just tend to gravitate towards the ink pen section in a bookstore. And I'm telling you, I could stay there the whole day. Today, I got a couple of 0.5 Dong A pens and a Unipin 0.05 fine liner. Seeing as how I seem to be drawing a lot on small paper, so yeah, I definitely need this fine liner. And more pens. You can't have enough pens, I'm telling you. And this is a Dong A white correction pen. I think this is what you use for white highlights. I'm not too sure, but we'll see how this goes. Now all these pens set me back a little over 200 pesos. Not bad. This next one, I don't know. I just decided to get one. It's a glue gun and a couple of sticks. Around 140 pesos, I think. I don't know, man. Well, I got myself a pack of Post-its. I don't know, it was right there for 20 pesos. It was just right there, looking at me. So might as well. Got it. Then, just right beside the Post-its, were this really cool pack of mini notebooks for 15 pesos each. I mean, it's got Spider-Man and the Avengers too. I mean, I draw on 3-inch sketch cards. So, what the hell? 15 pesos, not bad. Ooh, this one. Woo! You can guess where I'm going with this. Yep. Guys, it's clay for 30 pesos a brick. Oh dear God, we are making sculptures. So, I'm starting with these modeling clay ones to get my groove back in sculpting. But I think you need an oven to harden this when you're done, but we won't be needing that for now. And along with it, I got a pack of air dry ones. The idea being, you just leave this out to dry, and it'll harden itself. And once I get back in the saddle of sculpting, I used to do that when I was a kid. I'll make a final piece, a better one, with the air dry ones. So, I'll let you in a little secret. Shh, don't tell. The plan is to make my models of my comic book characters from my previous videos. Yep, it's still there in the back burner, but as for the comic books, we'll get there. But we'll be starting off with some comic book characters. Pretty exciting stuff, huh? All in good time, guys. In good time. Now, this one is a really cheap set of 10 coloring pens for 30 pesos. Well, because it was right there in front of me. Kind of felt bad, it's sitting there all by its lonesome. So, yeah, just decided to buy it for 30 pesos. Why not? Oh, now this is the pièce de résistance of the whole video. 60 pieces of epic. Wonderful. Fantastic. Marvelous. Touch cool color markers for 700 pesos. Now, I don't know what to say anymore. We will be making some really crazy stuff in these coming videos. We can blend the colors beautifully with these bad boys. And it's double-sided too. One side is a pointy tip, and the other is the chisel-sided, to color larger areas. Oh dear, the things we could do. On the upcoming weeks, I'll be making comparison videos of these lot. Exciting stuff. Color markers versus cheap pens. Faber Castell versus cheap pencils that I've been using all this time. And I'll be making some reviews as well. Well, that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching our very first Art Hall unboxing. Please subscribe, like, and comment if you haven't already. Stay safe, stay indoors, and stay subscribed. This is Comics on Lockdown.